We got a big one on. Big bass. Whew. Dad's gonna bring him over. I'm gonna get him in the mouth. Whew. You can see it's at the other place now. Ooh, he got a monster on. Didn't know what he had. First thought it was a snook. I guess it wasn't. Another 6-pounder. Whew. Right there.
It's not 6-pounder.
Huh?
It's like 4 or 5.
Nice 5-pounder. Whew. Same with mine. We got a double today. Ooh, my dad's biggest bass. You hooked him up well. Whew. That's okay. Really nice one.
Let's just see what we'll get for you.
Okay. Smile. Okay, and then oopsie.
Stuck in?
Uh-huh. Wow, I thought you had a big snook.
Ja, tak. Perfect.
Oh. Wow, chceš ho pustit?
Jo, puść.
Tak jo.
Jsem dobrý?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I still have this on video. I still have this on video. Whoa, Godzilla. That was the end of this video. Nice fight with my dad. Bye.